Hello, my students. This is your genius professor. My name is Dr. Lopez, and today I'm going to be teaching you on gases 101.
So you mean we're gonna learn about gases?
This is boring already.
I never even got a book. How am I supposed to
Oh my
learn
gosh.
this? Oh gosh.
The kinetic molecular theory states that matter is made up of continuously moving particles.
Boyle's law is a law where pressure and volume are indirectly proportional to each other. The following formula is P1 V1 equals P2 and V2. Charles' law is a law where volume and temperature are directly proportional to each other, and the formula is V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2. Because volume and temperature are directly proportional, the pressure is constant. Gay-Lussac's law, yes, that's its name, is a law where pressure and temperature are directly proportional to each other. Take note that the formula is P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2. And always remember that the temperature of gases should always be measured in Kelvin, while the pressure is usually measured in kilopascal. Okay, class, as you can see, you can combine those gas laws as it says on the board right here. Now, before I go over everything again, please, class, at least let me know that you understand the following variables right here.
No. Don't you understand? I don't get this.
Please, you don't understand the P,
No.
the V.
Velocity?
Please tell, at least one person, please tell me you
Volume?
at least know what temperature is. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Okay, now that I have to go over everything again, just let me just show you everything again. In order to get V2, which is volume 2, you have to multiply pressure 1, which is a kilopascal, which you can use to be able to tell what a pressure is, and multiply it by the liters, which is volume 1, and the temperatures, which is volume 2. Again, going over the algebra that I just explained earlier. And then you gotta divide it by 101.3 kilopascal and the 313 variable, which is temperature 1.
I get it now.
Great, class. That makes me a little bit happier.
Gases have low densities, are compressible, and mix easily.
The ideal gas law, PV equals nRT, is the equation for the ideal gas. Since we already went over most of the variables, I'm only going to go over 2 of the whole variables that you need to know in this equation. N equals moles and R equals the gas constant. If you memorize these laws, you should be able to pass your chemistry test just fine.
Now we're ready for our test.